The under-17 football team of the Myngken Christian High Secondary School, Ri-Bhoi District, was felicitated by Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on the 8th of April 2025 for securing third place at the Indo-French Football Tournament 2025 held in Paris from March 25th to 29th. The felicitation ceremony took place at the main Secretariat's conference hall in the presence of officials including the Director of Sports and Youth Affairs D.D. Shira and the President of the Meghalaya'S Football Association Hamletson Dorling. During the event, the Chief Minister congratulated the young footballers for their achievement and remarked that they had served as proud ambassadors of Meghalaya and India on the global stage. In a significant announcement, the Chief Minister revealed that the prestigious Olympique Lyonnais Academy in France had invited the Meghalaya under-18 state football team for a 20-day elite training camp starting from the 5th of June 2025. He mentioned that the players would gain daily access to the Academy's training grounds, participate in guided facility tours and play friendly matches against local French clubs. Chief Minister reiterated the government's commitment to providing Meghalaya's youth with global opportunities, stressing that this recognition was only the beginning of greater achievements. He reaffirmed the goal of establishing Meghalaya as the football capital of India through the Chief Minister's football mission. He outlined that key infrastructure projects under the CMFM initiative would include the Maukhanu Sports Complex, the PA Sangma Sports Complex, the JN Sports Complex renovation in Shillong, the Ri-Bhoi Stadium and the Ampati Stadium, which is nearing completion. He mentioned that since 2022, the state had hosted over 10 national and international sports events and engaged more than 35,000 participants annually. The Chief Minister concluded by expressing hope that this achievement would inspire more young athletes across the state to aim for global recognition, with the government continuing to provide the necessary support and infrastructure.
Please come forward. Benshai lang el nonglat. Let's clap for them. Let's clap for the boys. Erikson Bonsat, Sandu Ravindra, Frankie Dekal, Bantibor Onjo.
You have had the opportunity to represent not just your school, not just our state, but the country in the Indo-French Football Tournament of 2025. And not only did you represent the country, but you also came third in this tournament. And once again, I congratulate you for that, and I think they all deserve another round of applause for this great performance that they have done in this particular tournament that was held in France. As a state government, for us sports is very, very important. I always repeat that it is important for us, not only because we feel that the talent is there and it just needs the support, and with that support our youngsters can actually perform very well at local as well as national and international tournaments.